Hello, welcome back. So today I was going for a dreamy painting kind of look and I ended up 80s hair metal in a nightgown. Oh gosh, I spent so long doing my hair to try and make it look fabulous and it's giving 80s. I'm so sorry. So yeah, in today's video we are making an Italian Renaissance gown out of a thrifted curtain that was €3. And the curtain was almost big enough, so you will see at the end of the video that the sleeves are slightly too short. They are shorter than I would like. I found a pattern for the chemise on a blog and I will post a link down below if you want to make it too. It's really straightforward. You just need a lot of fabric. It is kind of crazy how much fabric this uses, but it's not a difficult pattern at all. And I did have a lot of fun making this, especially seeing the end result. I was really happy with it and I can't wait to make more parts of the outfits because it is definitely something that you could wear to a Ren Faire with like a corset and a skirt over it. Yeah, without further ado, let's get to sewing. So this pattern is super straightforward. All you're gonna need is a huge amount of fabric. And from that huge amount of fabric, you make some giant rectangles and some smaller rectangles. And to attach those smaller rectangles to the giant rectangles, you need some triangles. 4 of them, to be precise. Additionally, I also made some straps, so I needed really long, skinny rectangles as well. For me, the biggest challenge was keeping track of what is what, and everything kept on getting tangled because it was just such a big amount of fabric and it was really frustrating at times. I marked everything as well, but yeah, it just got lost in all the fabric. It was just a sea of fabric. And at times it was almost boring to sew the seams and the hems because it's just sewing straight lines for like 10 minutes or something. Here I'm making the straps, which is probably the most challenging part because I could not get them to turn properly. I had to cut off the ends because I absolutely ruined them. Here I'm creating the tunnels for the straps, and for this method I also sewed a seam on the top of it so that it ruffles a little bit nicer on the top as well. And I just guided the straps through that tunnel with a safety pin. This was one of the quickest projects that I made. If I would make this project again, I would make it in linen or a really nice cotton. I think that would feel nicer on the body. I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but I assume that at least there is some polyester in here and it's not like a full cotton thing. But for now, I'm really happy with how it turned out. There were some instructions on how to make like a band and gather everything and make it look really pretty. I just decided to go with drawstrings because I wasn't quite sure about how big I wanted it to be. I just went with the measurements on the blog post, but I made it a little bit longer because I'm quite tall. It wasn't exceptionally challenging construction-wise. It was just some rectangles and some triangles and some strings, and then you've got a dress. For anyone that wants a chemise, I think this is a great pattern. Get some cheap fabric, give it a try. So if I look at the Miro board, I have made 3 items that I'm happy with, and there's still like a week left until it's summer, and I want to make 5 items before summer, so I kind of gotta hurry up, and I'm I'm kind of sad that I won't be making as much as I had hoped. I was planning to do a upcycle kind of thing and got everything sorted out. So yeah, I think I will do a summer sewing as well, where I move some of the pieces from this board to that board. Especially the upcycle pieces that I've already gathered, because, you know, they're there, why not? Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, bye!